Top 5 Best Cutting Torch Kits. Number 5. Stark Gas Welding and Cutting Torch Kit. If you are on a budget and are looking for the best cutting torch, this tool may be the machine for you. The machine is affordable and offers incredible and maximum results. Here are some ideal features the machine comes with. Dependable welding hose. This feature is at the top of the list and sets it apart from other cutting torch tools. It's a reliable 15 feet in size and 1/4 inch in diameter welding hose. The hose can safely expel gases without any lapses during operation. Victor-style welding kit. This welding package has a Victor-style design. This fundamentally incorporates a few different fittings, hoses, and spouts. It also has a large, readable 2-inch screen with 2 scales that is easy to read and control. The brass handle is large and offers smooth and precise settings. High-quality design and material. Besides the Victor style, this tool consists of high-quality materials. This ensures that machine remains undistorted for a long time. Besides, this guarantees that you handle different tasks like portable welding, soldering, and surface hardening and metal heating processes. Additional accessories. The tool comes with numerous additional parts such as a spark lighter, goggles, a cutting nozzle, an acetylene regulator, etc. These forestall pointless hassles that may frequently emerge in your utilization of the cutting light. Pros. The machine can handle numerous metalwork tasks. It can attach and fit various welding spouts. Incredible for a wide range of important applications. It's designed from sturdy material that bear intense effects. It does not need any batteries to work. Cons. It produces minimal results. It's designed for light tasks. It's not reliable. Coming in number 4. Victor Technologies 03842540. Well, the cost of this cutting torch may not please many users, it is still worth every penny. The tool consists of high-quality materials and components with which the machine can handle difficult and light tasks. Great cutting and welding capacity. The machine is not very robust, but still offers incredible results. You can perform light and medium tasks quickly and accurately. To be precise, this model can cut any metal you toss at it. You can cut up to 1/2 inch deep or up to 5 inches when utilizing discretionary tips. Also, its flame is capable of welding metals up to 2 mm or 31.8 mm while using discretionary pipes, deuces. Comfortable handle. The company updated this machine with a comfortable WH-411C torch grip that offers incredible ergonomic grip. This increases security and user experience. Furthermore, this handle is made of a sturdy alloy that outlives the usual brass handles. Easy operation. The machine has colored knobs to avoid confusion when operating. This improves performance and security. Pros. Offers a comfortable grip. The big handle is suitable for people with big hands. The codes on the knob are colored. Cons. The acetylene regulator may spill gradually. Coming in number 3. Hobart 770502 medium-duty oxy-acetylene kit. Safety and performance are the most important features to consider when buying this type of cutting machine. And Hobart keeps this in mind by providing the best tools to the market. One of the main tools on the list is this Hobart 770502 medium machine. Work on various projects. This machine doesn't seem to disappoint newbies or professionals. It can be used to perform light to medium tasks in private and commercial environments. Great cutting and welding capacity. This excellent cutting torch can handle numerous metalworking tasks like welding and cutting. It has the ability to cut up to 6 inches and weld up to 1/2 inches. This means that it's flexible enough to deal with most domestic and professional tasks such as farm, automotive, repair and light fabrication, etc. Runs on acetylene fuel gas and propane. The tool runs on acetylene fuel gas to get your metal work done flawlessly. However, if you want to use propane gas instead of acetylene, you can always change and use propane tips. Pros. It is affordable considering its features. The cut and weld limit is great. It works with both acetylene and propane. Cons. The propane tip is sold separately if you want to use propane gas. Coming in number 2. ZENSTYLE Oxygen and Acetylene Gas. If you have a desire for a great welding machine, then you may consider this cutting torch machine. It is constructed and suited for different welding tasks. On the whole, it contains various features that mutually make this fantasy a reality. Heavy construction and material. The tool consists of solid materials and components. With this sturdy material and heavy construction, customers can use this machine for tough tasks without having to worry about the machine getting distorted. Additional accessories. This unit comes with a comfortable torch handle, an oxygen controller, goggles, a guidebook, an acetylene regulator, and other numerous components. Incredible regulators. The two regulators, oxygen and acetylene, offer a better performance and are 2.5 inches in diameter. They have a large display that helps people see the pressure they are using and make the correct settings for their cutting tasks. Perfect handle. The tool comes with a soft, long, and simple grip that is designed using brass. A lot of clients say this handle helps them to make smooth and precise adjustments. Incredible cutting capacity. With this package, you can cut materials up to 6 inches and weld them with basic tips up to 1/2 inch. Since it is a multi-purpose model, you can as well utilize it for riveting, soldering, for difficult tasks and for numerous other domestic and professionals tasks. Pros. The gauges have a large, clear screen. The conveying case is extremely convenient. The tool has a remarkable flow capacity. Cons. Inferior cutting capacity. Coming in number 1, Victor Technologies 03840945. If you are looking for a cutting torch that can handle light welding tasks to heavy industrial applications, you should definitely give this tool a try. In its basic expansion and design, this cutting torch is ideal for heavy and light errands. This results from the combination of genuine sections and components. Brilliant cutting depth. When used as a cutter, this tool cuts several inches. This occurs when there are some discretionary tips. This incredible cutting capacity is incredible because users can spend less time on the project and get the ideal results. Excellent welding capability. Users can also use this tool as a welder. In this sense, the tool can quickly weld different inches when integrated with some discretionary spouts. This once more guarantees your comfort and ensures that you use less energy for the better results. Phenomenal safety features. For users who are concerned about their safety when using this torch, this tool offers amazing security features. For example, it has a secure ergonomic handle that is built into a built-in storage case and check valves. They work together to improve your security and good standing at all times. Pros. Comes with an oxygen regulator STKR540R. This torch comes with goggles. Can run various errands from light-duty welding to cutting steel. The machine has a striker and check valves. Cons. It's quite large and not easy to carry. It weighs 15 pounds. Imposes an excess clutter.